Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna jump into all things skincare. I'm gonna share with you a secret tool that I am using and loving. You're gonna see me without makeup. You're gonna see everything in action. And wait, there is more. I do have a major announcement within this video, so let's hop right in. I'm gonna be telling you about a game-changing device that literally does it all. This is my favorite tool as far as beauty. Like if I was stranded on an island and I was told you can have a curling iron, a hair dryer, or this, I would pick this. This is making my skin look so good. It has changed the firmness, just like smoothed out lines. I have not gone to a med spa. I have not gone and got filler or Botox. I have been tempted to recently, I'm gonna admit, and no shade or shame to anyone that does that. I'm just saying my face is raw without any help. It's been several years now. I have been using Medicube devices now for about 2 years and I swear by them. What they just launched is so ridiculous. It's literally an all-in-one. You do not need anything else. You just need this one device. It is so convenient. This right here will change your skincare routine permanently. It will elevate it. You will feel like you've gotten a facial every day of your life. It is that good. I love this. Beyond. It literally has LED lights that address different skincare concerns. You've got everything from a purple light, an orange light, a green light, a red light, a blue light. We're getting rid of bacteria. We're addressing pore concerns. We're rejuvenating the skin through LED light therapy. There are also different vibration pulses within each setting. And we're going to go through all of the different settings that are on this one device. I'm going to turn it on really quick, just so you guys can see.
Mode, level 1.
Booster mode.
Level 2.
You can do the different levels.
Microcurrent mode, level 1.
Microcurrent mode.
Dermashot mode, level 1.
Dermashot mode.
Airshot mode, level 1.
Airshot mode. Everything you need to firm, to stimulate your muscles, to get your product to penetrate really deeply in the skin. This does it all. You place this on the skin, whatever setting you're using. Let's say I'm doing like the microcurrent and I'm kind of like, on my shoulder, whatever. And I'm talking to James and I'm like, okay, and I need to tell you this or whatever. It will stop like at 1 minute and pause. And then if I'm like, I'm ready to go back to my treatment, I'll make contact with the skin again and it will start up right at that 1 minute mark or wherever I left off. So it's so easy to walk around your house or do whatever you're doing. And if you're with your kids or you're getting ready and you're wandering around, you get distracted. It doesn't matter. You can like start and stop. And it's not like the whole thing is running for however many minutes or it's beeping at you. Like it's just so convenient. You can use this multiple times a day. It feels good to use this. I see an immediate result. My skincare is more deeply penetrating. My makeup is going on better than ever. And I just think this is the Rolls-Royce product of skincare tools. I've tried them all. And hey, wait, there is more. I am giving away 100 of these to my audience thanks to Medicube. That is a $52,000 giveaway because you're also going to be getting the jelly cream to use with this device, which I used this morning. And honestly, if you want to prep your skin beautifully, if you're dehydrated, if you need extra cushion and love and glow, this gets it done so quickly. It is the Collagen Jelly Cream. This is good for every skin type out there. It is nice and thick. It sinks in so beautifully. This device definitely presses it in further and you see that immediate glow and lift. So Medicube very generously has stepped in as our biggest Tati list giveaway collaborator, if you will. And the value on these, like this was not a small giveaway. So like shout out to Medicube. Thank you so much. They're giving away 100 Booster Pros and 100 of the collagen jelly. And together these are $520 because this puppy right here is not cheap. Now, if you're looking at me cross-eyed like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Like, why are you talking about something so expensive? I believe this is worth it because of all of the different features that you receive within one tool. You don't have to go out and buy a different 4AO microcurrent or a different EMS muscle stimulator. Like you don't need multiple gadgets. This is your all-in-one. It does everything that you could possibly need for your skin in one device. On the app, you can literally track your progress. They have an area for a before and after photo. I have to say, when I looked at that, I was like, that's kind of impressive that they're willing to have a before and after. They believe in the product so much that they're like, hey, post your before photo. And we know the device is going to work. So the after photo is really going to motivate you to continue using the product. It will track what you're doing each day, which mode you're using. And I think that's good to not overuse any one mode, to really see like, what am I doing every day with my skincare, and just have those trackable results. I think that's awesome that you get that with this tool, and it does it all. It's your AM, your PM, it does it all. So this is an expensive item right here. For the Tati list, we do have a discount code. It's not an affiliate code for me. It is Tati list 40. That is the biggest discount code we have had for the Tati list thus far. And also, this is the biggest giveaway that we have hosted so far. And I'm so excited for my winners to receive this in the mail and test it out, try it out. I want to see your before and afters. I want to see your photos. I want to hear from you. It is the biggest thrill for me when I'm sending out all these packages and doing the handwritten notes, to hear from you guys that it made your day, that you love the product. It's just been really fun for me. So thank you for being a part of this. I don't know that we'll be doing a giveaway every single week forever and ever, but I have been so pleased that there are companies like Medicube that have wanted to step up and be really, really generous with my audience, because it's not a small thing to give away over $50,000 worth of product. So thank you so much to Medicube. Let's go into me without makeup, and I'm going to guide you through how I use this device in the morning. I just finished using it, and then I did my makeup, and I'm always so amazed when I really take my time with this. Like for a special event, if you want to do more than one mode, it really gets your skin prepped beautifully. The booster mode, which is an orange LED.
Booster mode, level 1.
Which I will say, you can customize the LED to what light you want to use it with in the app. Otherwise, the device is preset. The booster has your orange LED, so you are getting LED light therapy along with whatever mode it is in. We're talking about the booster mode right now, and this to me is the best one to use to prime the skin. If you have time for only one in the morning, I would use this mode even just for a minute. Sometimes if I'm in a hurry, I will grab this, I'll put on my skincare, and I do the boosting effect, which is just kind of dragging it like lightly. We're not tugging at the skin, we're just kind of moving the product upward. You can use circular motions, which I do like to use on the forehead for some reason. Circular motions feel the best on the booster mode on the forehead. If you have a dry patch, you could put some type of heavier oil on the dry patch and focus this, and just do like a focused moment to really press that product deeply into the skin. And something that I did recently, my skin has actually not been the greatest over the past month. I've been crying a lot. I traveled, my hormones have been here, there, everywhere. And with the loss of Puka, it's just been a lot of I don't know, you go through something like that and I'm touching my face a lot. And then there were nights where I didn't take my makeup off. And normally I am A+ in my skin game, but the past month has been rough. And I ended up getting kind of a weird breakout through here. And what I did was I took tea tree oil, and I was able to actually take this mode, the booster mode, and press the product in. This is such a substitute for going to a medical spa or going to a spa and getting a facial. I feel like you have everything you need, the power in your own hands to address whatever's going on with your skin with a device like this. This increases skin permeability by 785%. Just makes your skin glow immediately. There are
Level
many...
2, level 3, level 4, level 5.
There are many different settings as well. You're like my little
Booster
friend,
mode, level 1.
Oh, she's so nice. She's so pleasant too. She's just level 1, level 2. All right, we're gonna go into
Microcurrent mode, level 1.
volumizing. This one you are going to want to use on areas that you want to volumize on the face. So I kind of go right in these lines, and it kind of vibrates, and I just press upward like I do a lifting. I also go in between the brows, and I do a bit of a lifting motion. And I don't always use the device for the full set time. You can use it up to 5 minutes, but even a couple of minutes twice a day brings you such great results. The microcurrent mode is going to promote collagen production. It's also going to improve elasticity and help to implement a more toned and lifted look to the face. We lose collagen as we age, and that's just a fact of life, but we can do something like this to help improve collagen production. So this mode is immediately going to give you a nice effect, but over time you're going to see a real dramatic improvement in the texture and firmness of your skin. I love the Airshot mode, and this is the mode that I use on my neck, my shoulders. Like I actually, you guys know, I've been working out and I did finish Carolyn Gervin's Iron series. I don't think I announced that because of everything that happened with Puka and travel and all of that, but I did finish the Iron series. But when I tell you my shoulders definitely were sore, this tool was so nice to use for my neck, like for my traps, for right here. I would crank it up.
Level 5.
Level 5. You guys go slow, go like level 1 first, see what feels good to you. I'm not necessarily saying that you should just crank it to 5 and like go, but on these muscles right here, like I can feel that and it's just so nice. And then also I can handle level 5 right here because I grind my teeth and this muscle gets so tight, the masseter muscle. Oh my gosh, I'll try to really release it by doing facial massage, but this will get in there and just really go in and flex that muscle. And as it's releasing, you can feel the tension releasing and it's so great. This is also an awesome mode to use if you have a headache. That is not what it is marketed for, so I'm kind of going off into my own lane, but I have noticed when I have tension in the face, if I take this for even a couple of minutes, and you don't have to use a specific conductor gel anymore, you can use any of your skincare. They changed that with this device. Really, really love that because before you would have like specific conductor gel that you would have to purchase, and this you can use with any of your skincare. You pop it on the face and the muscle is contracting, and just that contraction where you can't really get to that, like it's not like I can like lift weights with my face. It's not like I can like access all of those muscles on my own by lifting something, you know what I'm saying? So a current that goes through and flexes that muscle that needs to be released, oh my gosh, it feels amazing, amazing. And this one definitely, for me anyway, lifts my brow a little bit. As we age also, like any of that sagging, like imagine those muscles if they could be just like lifted up just a little bit. So the tension is gone and they're being strengthened and everything is just a little bit more lifted. Oh my gosh, you look in the mirror and you see a difference after one use. It's phenomenal. Airshot mode. This is one that I only use at nighttime and it is recommended to only use at nighttime. If you struggle with breakouts, if you want to just improve the texture of your skin, this is your setting, and you don't have to do this every night. I don't do it every night. I do it a couple times a week and I still see a good result. It's going to gently exfoliate the skin with electric needles. And that sounds a little wild, but when you feel it on the skin, you just feel this tiny little prickle. It's not painful at all. And it kind of removes your hair too, which is to me an added bonus, but not to get too crazy into detail, but I guess why not? You can kind of smell a little bit. Literally, it's like smoothing you out. It's not like a joke. It really is getting in there. Electric needles, this is like incredible technology, is opening up pathways so that your skincare can sink in more deeply. So this is like microneedling, but through technology without any extensive damage to the skin. Now, this one does need to be used on a bare face. I really find it effective. I do not think you need to do this every night. I would start slow and I would not go aggressive on the mode. I would start at level 1, see how it goes, because this one, to me, in my opinion, is the closest mode to something that you would get as a professional procedure at a medical spa. It's a wow mode. It works. Now, if we want to go through the actual lights, the LED lights on this product, these are not just light bulb lights, like they actually have the backing, the technology to penetrate the skin deeply and do phenomenal things for the health of your skin. So the blue mode is going to be for pore care and sebum control. The orange will be for brightening, green for volumizing, red for elasticity, and purple for boosting skincare. There are also different customizable vibration modes, but everything is very easy to use, simple to get used to, and just so user-friendly. I want to share with you just how much I love this collagen jelly cream, and I want to show you how thick it is. This is like, I feel like I'm doing this with a blizzard. Like, look at that. It's not waxy or oily. It's a gel, but it has this nice thickness to it. If your skin is dull, dehydrated, needs to be moisturized and just brought back to life, like after travel, oh my gosh, this is the best cream to slather on. It has nano collagen in it. The formulation here is phenomenal. I love this. It does have a slight scent, like a slight floral scent, but it's very, very subtle and very pleasant. I just can't get over how thick it is, but how it melts into the skin. The texture is really next level. I don't have anything else like this in my skincare collection. It's beautiful, and it's beautiful under makeup too. It's just so gorgeous. The other skincare that I have been using from Medicube, and they have a ton of it, they have great skincare, but what I have been using, this is my second bottle, is the Glutathione Glow Serum. This is glutathione, which is an amazing antioxidant, really, really potent antioxidant. It's going to help to fight against free radicals. This does also have niacinamide. There is fragrance in the products, but it's so light. It's not aggressive. It's just very, very fresh, very pleasant. This one right here, the Vita C Pro Ampoule, this is a very potent vitamin C. I can feel it when I put this on the skin. I only use this at nighttime. I love this. It tingles a little bit when you put it on. It states right on the front exactly what you're getting, which I love it when brands do this. 21% vitamin C, 2% vitamin B, and then 2% vitamin C derivative. Little goes a long way. Love it. I will add that when I'm doing this in the evening, I will not do the jelly. Collagen and vitamin C are not the greatest of friends. So just some bonus skincare advice for you guys. Use vitamin C on its own outside of the jelly, but I like to mix up my skincare in the evening anyway. And this one right here, as much as I do love using this as a final sealant on some nights when I'm not using the vitamin C, I will kind of slather this on pretty thickly just to seal all my other skincare in. I do also really love using this before makeup. If I don't have time to do like a 15-minute mask and then wash it off or whatever, I can do this, go in to the device, press it all in, and then if there's anything extra on the face, I'll actually take a clean makeup brush and kind of buff it out. And then that's my primer for the day. I don't put anything else on top of it. So I do like using this in the morning. All right, I want to show you guys, this is what the box looks like. I've already been boxing everything up. My living room, once again, is like taken over by the giveaway, and I'm so excited about it. I'm very, very excited for my winners to receive their Medicube new Booster Pro device. And I want to see it when you guys get it. I am so like curious if you guys fall in love as quickly as I did, and to hear all about it and to hear how your skincare adventure is going. And major thank you to Medicube. What a generous gift to my audience. That was a lot of product, and I'm so happy that I'm able to do this. We're just gonna keep building the Tati list bigger and better. If you are not on it, it is free. I will never share your data. It is just something we're doing here as community. There are many more things planned outside of just giveaways, so be sure to sign up. I will have that linked in the description box below, along with the Medicube website where you can save 40% off using Tati List 40. Go check out their skincare, like outside of the devices. Their skincare is phenomenal, and their devices are A+. That code will not be here for long, so act fast if you're interested in trying this incredible Booster Pro. I highly recommend it. Tati approved, A+. I love it. Chef's kiss. This has changed my skin so quickly, and I will not go without it. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for your support and for being here. Congratulations again to my winners, and I love you guys so much. I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.